Let's make the viral Korean marinated eggs, Mayak eggs. This has been trending for the past couple years now, and guess what? It's super easy to make. Let's dive into the recipe. In a pot of water, bring it to a boil, add a dash of salt and some vinegar. Once complete, gently remove and give it an ice bath. The method of using ice, vinegar, and salt makes it so much easier to peel the eggshells. Look how beautiful it came out. Wow, look at that. Next, let's make our sauce. To a mixing bowl, combine soy sauce, water, and sugar. You can also use honey or syrup. Next, add in some chopped scallions, minced garlic, and some peppers. And your desired amount of sesame seeds. Give it a mix and combine well. Once complete, place in your eggs, cover with plastic wrap, refrigerate for overnight.
So now it's in the whip we left at. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit.